If you're having trouble verifying your identity on PlayStation, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the steps to resolve verification issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your PlayStation console is connected to the internet. A stable connection is essential for verification processes. You can test your connection in the settings menu. Step 2. Update your console. Make sure your PlayStation system software is up to date. Go to the settings menu, select System Software Update, and install any available updates. This can fix bugs that may interfere with verification. Step 3. Reset your password. If verification fails, try resetting your password. Visit the PlayStation website or use the console to initiate a password reset. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email. Step 4. Use two-step verification. If you have two-step verification enabled, ensure you have access to your authentication method. If you can't receive codes, you may need to disable two-step verification temporarily through your account settings. Step 5. Contact PlayStation support. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any verification issues on PlayStation. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from support.